How to get unbanned from communication features on PS5. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to look for a tutorial on how we can get unbanned from the communication features on PS5. So without any ado, let's start with the process on how we can do it. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can do it, first of all, launch your PS5. After that, here you'll be able to find your settings. Just head over to the settings, and after going to the settings, you'll be finding a bunch of options here. You're going to look up for the option called network here. Just choose the network, and after going to network, you'll be finding the settings here. So you're going to look up for the connection settings, locate the connection status at the upper side of the settings. At the above of the settings, you can find this connection status. Just go to there and you'll be able to find different options here. You're gonna look up for this option called of PlayStation Network. Just go to this view connection status. After that, you'll be able to find this here about your PlayStation. So in order to unblock your communication status, you're gonna look up for this check mark, like all services are up and running, if there is this check mark or not. And at the third, you can find this PlayStation Store option, if that has this green dot or not. If that is available, just head back. After that, you're gonna look up for the option called Users and Account below the network. After going to Users and Account, just head below and you'll be able to find different settings here. You're gonna look up for the option called Other. At the sixth option, you can find that Other and click on the second option, Restore Licenses. After clicking on the Restore Licenses, you'll be able to find this option called Restore. Just click on it. After that, your licenses will be restored, and just click on OK. After that is done, just head over to the other section again, and this time go to console sharing and offline pay. The first option, after going there, you will be finding this option called disable and non-disable. So first of all, you're gonna disable this. Just disable your account. After that, you'll be logged out of your PS5 account. After you're logged out, you just need to re-log in. Press the PS button on your controller, re-log in into your PS5. After that, go on with the same process. Go to the locate the console sharing and offline play settings, and this time you need to enable this option. After you are done enabling option, your PS5 should be done, and after that is done, you're gonna head over to the option called family and parental controls. And the third step, just go there and you can find this PS5 control restrictions, console restrictions. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you need to enter your PIN. Just enter your PIN and get over to another page where you'll be finding different options here. You're going to click on this option called parental controls for new users. After clicking on it, you're going to look up for the settings like your S restrictions and everything, and below you'll be finding this Blu-ray disc and DVDs. Just don't restrict or restrict, it is up to you. After that is done, that's how you basically unban from your communication features on PS5. So follow this process in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.